I'm Kerry Higgins, born and raised in Ponty, and over the last 30 years I've cared for family with lots of different sort of health conditions. 1 in 3 of us are affected by dementia, and going forward, if we don't do more now, there'll be 1 in 2 of us. So we can't afford not to focus on and support people. Very often people living with dementia and carers find that they socialise less, they give up hobbies, they give up all sorts of things that are important to them. And Turnng Blue is about providing those opportunities, about connection really, retaining that connection. This year's been a kind of great year. Across Ponty we had everything from pottery session to double denim, which was about being creative with textiles. There were lots of organisations that were doing their own little activities as well. Organisations providing support. Ponty Clean had a wonderful visual approach where they turned the main street blue. We had communities across Bridgend hosting lots of different events, and across Rhondda and Tarv and Merthyr, you know, there was a real sort of focus, so it's been a real coming together in the name of colour really. For me it was about that Turnng Blue concept, saying to other people in other areas, in other communities, that we hear them too. It's really important for us all to kind of work in partnership, because dementia is everybody's business. I guess it kind of touches all of us at some point, even if it's not a family member, it's a neighbour, everybody knows somebody that's affected by it. People living with dementia have other conditions as well. You know, we're human. If you know little about dementia, then how can you support the person? It's about that person being at the heart of everything. Ponty is, you know, it's really important to me. It's where I was born. But the biggest thing for me is community spirit, and that's what it's all about for me. Community and you know, kindness and doing things for each other.